Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Linear Ocean Learning channel on transformation of sentences according to structure, part 2, from simple to complex and from simple to compound. Today my video is on rule 10 on simple sentences with adverbial phrases of time. Example 1. I was there in autumn. Here, adverbial phrase in autumn, and it is indicating time. If we want to put it into complex sentence, the structure to be followed to transform into complex from the simple sentence I was there in autumn with adverbial phrases, phrase of time, and then we have to follow a structure, and the structure I have projected here contains some abbreviations and I should clarify them. They are IPO in place of, that is instead of, S means subject, N means noun, V means verb, EX means extension. Let us come to the structure of complex sentence from the simple I was there in autumn. Subject. Here subject is I, then up to adverbial phrase. Here adverbial phrase is in autumn, and up to this there are words was there. So it will be I was there, then when, IPO in place of in, we have to write when, then we have to import our subject and it is it. Then BV, then time mentioned. Here time mentioned is autumn. So the answer we get, that is the complex sentence we get from the simple sentence I was there in autumn is I was there when it was autumn. Now compound. Here too I have projected a structure and it is it plus BV. IPO in, that is in place of in I have brought in it plus B verb. Then time mentioned, that is it was autumn, then plus and plus subject. Subject is I here. Then again it is up to in. Up to in, here up to in is was there. So it is it was autumn and I was there. Example 2. I left home in the morning. Complex. I left home when it was morning. Was because I left home. It is in past indefinite tense. Then compound one is it was morning and I left home. Now let's get to rule 11A. Simple sentences with nominative absolute indicating cause. Here, what is nominative absolute? All do not know this, so I have written the definition of absolute nominative. A nominative absolute is a group of words consisting of a noun or pronoun and a participle, plus, that is, noun, the commander, then participle being, and a participle. It modifies the whole sentence but has no grammatical connection to the main clause. Here main clause is the soldiers dispersed. This is the principal clause or main clause, and the commander being killed has no connection with the principal clause or main clause. It stands alone, the commander being killed, separated by a comma. Which one stands alone? The soldiers dispersed, the main clause, and it is separated by a comma and gives background information like time, cause, or condition. Here, the commander being killed is giving background information, and it is about cause. That is what nominative absolute indicating cause. Example, the commander being killed, comma, the soldiers dispersed. If we want to put it into complex sentence, the structure we have to follow is when. If it indicates time, then it is when. Here too it's indicating time. When the commander was killed, the soldiers dispersed, it is true. Again, we can also tell since or as indicating cause plus noun. Noun here is the commander. BV, IPO being. In place of being, we have to write BV, that is am, is, are, was, were, according to the sequence of tense of the main clause. Plus up to comma here is killed. Plus comma, there will be comma, plus extension. Extension means the soldiers dispersed. Now if we follow the structure, the answer we get is when the commander was killed, the soldiers dispersed. Now compound. Noun, here noun is the commander. BV, IPO being. In place of being, we have to write BV, that is am, is, are, was, were, according to the sequence of tense of the principal clause or the main clause. Plus up to comma here is killed, and IPO comma, in place of comma we have to write and, plus extension, that is the main clause or the principal clause. Now if we follow the structure, the compound sentence we get is the commander was killed and the soldiers dispersed. Now let's get to Rule 11b. Rule 11 B. Simple sentences with nominative absolute indicating this D indicating condition. Example 1. Time permitting here time is noun and it is present participle. It is called nominative absolute. Time permitting, I shall go there. No comma, I shall go there. Now, if we want to put it into complex sentence, the structure we have to follow is complex. If plus noun here is time, plus be, IPO, PP, present participle, according to the sequence of tense of the principal clause or the main clause, ASOT, according to sequence of tense. Plus comma, there will be comma, plus up to comma, plus comma, plus extension, that is the main clause. Now, if we follow the structure, the answer we will get is if, answer, if time permits. Why is it in present indefinite tense? Because it is in future and it is in first condition. If time permits, comma, I shall go there. Go there. Now let's get to the compound sentence and its structure. Compound. Sorry, viewers. In case of sentences, in case of simple sentences with nominative absolute indicating time, there is no practice of transforming this the sentences with this condition in with this nominative absolute indicating time in any books, and they cannot be put into compound. So let's get to another example, and it is example 2. Example 2. Allah willing, I shall go there again, or I shall go to your house. Go to your house. Again, if we follow this structure, then answer will be, that is the complex will be, if condition, Allah wills, comma, I shall go to your house. I shall go to your house. Viewers, this much today. See you in my next video. Before taking leave, I would like to request you to follow my video, like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.